Igbo politicians, governors and senators that are in a position to change our life, help us bring Biafra, help us actualize Biafra. Welite oku referendum. Welite oku referendum. Just welite go there, welite. In Agota, there is no hope for Zujiria. Zujiria is only going backwards. You hear me? Celebrity die. Police no fit do any investigation. No station is willing to do any investigation because they don't collect money. You will not be celebrity. Imagine what thing will happen to you if this kind of situation finds you and you not be celebrity. Nobody know you. I keep telling you, Biafra is the only way forward. But you don't understand them. You understand me? Many zoo. Imagine Igbo politician of one senators and assembly members, governors of one local government chairman of one only they can need your gas to vote. Likely nobody sent you. So imagine like you play. Omazi Biafra agembo. No. Celebrate ya koga akokia on gewaji a gas to vote on